7 powerful steps to improve English fluency. Have you ever had a great idea in your mind, but couldn't express it clearly because you didn't know the right English words? Or maybe someone asked you a simple question in English and your mind suddenly went blank. You're not alone. Millions of people around the world understand English but struggle to speak fluently. Fluency isn't just about knowing vocabulary or grammar rules. It's about expressing your thoughts smoothly, naturally, and confidently. The good news? English fluency is not a talent. It's a skill. And like every skill, it can be developed with the right steps and daily habits. Let's dive into the 7 most powerful, proven steps that can help you become fluent in English, no matter where you live, how old you are, or how basic your current level is. Build your English environment. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to surround yourself with the language. Think of how babies learn to speak. They don't study grammar books. They listen, observe, and imitate. You need to do the same. Watch movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English, even if you don't understand everything. Turn on English subtitles to help you connect words with their sounds. Listen to English podcasts or songs during your daily activities, while walking, cooking, or commuting. Change your phone's language to English. Read English signs, product labels, or menus around you. The more English you absorb every day, the more natural it becomes to your brain. A student named Cameron, who had never spoken English outside of class, started watching one English movie a week and listening to short English news podcasts every morning. In 6 months, his listening and speaking skills noticeably improved, and he became more confident in conversations. Step 2. Think in English. One of the biggest obstacles to fluency is translation. Many learners try to form sentences in their native language first, then translate them into English, which slows down their speech and creates confusion. To speak fluently, you must train your brain to think directly in English. Start with small steps. When you're alone, describe your surroundings in English. The sun is bright today. I'm making tea. I have to finish my homework. These small thoughts, when repeated daily, build strong thinking habits. Instead of translating Aaj mausam acha hai, think immediately. The weather is nice today. Instead of translating Mujhe bhuk lagi hai, think I'm feeling hungry. A college student named Sana made it a habit to think in English for just 5 minutes every morning. Over time, she stopped hesitating when speaking and began forming sentences more naturally and quickly. Step 3. Speak English every day. Even if you're alone, fluency only comes with speaking practice. Reading and listening are important, but they won't make you a confident speaker unless you use your voice. You don't need a partner. Talk to yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and describe your day, your dreams, or what you did yesterday in English. You can also record yourself speaking for 1 minute daily. Talk about anything, your favorite movie, your weekend plans, or what you learned today. Listening to your own voice will help you spot mistakes and track your progress. One learner, Zishan, created a challenge for himself. He recorded a 1-minute English video every day for 30 days. He didn't share it with anyone. But after a month, he noticed that his pronunciation improved, and he spoke with more confidence and fewer pauses. Step 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Memorizing vocabulary lists can help, but fluency comes from knowing how words are used together in real conversations. Instead of learning the word hungry, learn the full phrase. I'm feeling hungry. Instead of just thanks, learn thanks a lot. Thanks for your help. I really appreciate it. These word combinations, known as collocations and phrases, help you sound more natural. For example, don't say, he makes a crime. Say, he committed a crime. Don't say, I'm very tired. Say, I'm completely exhausted. Real fluency is about using these real-life, native-like phrases, not just knowing individual words. Step 5. Use the shadowing technique. Shadowing is a simple but powerful technique. You listen to a native speaker from a video, podcast, or audiobook and repeat what they say immediately after, like an echo. This trains your brain to match their rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. It helps you sound more fluent and natural. Start with short videos and around 1 or 2 minutes. Play one sentence, pause, and repeat it aloud. Try to copy the emotion, speed, and pronunciation. A learner named Hira practiced shadowing with her favorite English movie dialogues. In just 2 months, her accent softened, her speaking speed improved, and she felt more connected to real English. Step 6. Practice with others. Speaking alone helps build confidence, but real fluency grows when you interact with other people. Look for conversation partners online. Use apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or join English-speaking groups on Facebook. Many learners find free speaking partners from other countries who also want to improve. If possible, join a local English club, attend workshops, or practice English with friends or classmates. Even speaking for 10 minutes a day with another person will help you think faster, respond naturally, and learn real conversation patterns. I know a learner named Bilal who connected with a teacher from the Philippines. They practiced twice a week on Skype. After just 3 months, his speaking test score jumped from band 5.5 to 6.5 in IELTS. Step 7. Be consistent and track your progress. Fluency doesn't come in one day. It's the result of consistent, small efforts over time. Make a routine, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Set goals. Learn 5 new phrases a day. Speak for 2 minutes daily. Watch 1 short English video each morning. Record yourself weekly and compare. Keep a journal of your progress. Write what you practiced, new words you learned, or where you struggled. Over time, you'll see how much you've improved, and that will motivate you to keep going. Fluency isn't about speaking fast, it's about speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally. Every step you take brings you closer to that goal. Conclusion: you can do it. Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. They made mistakes, they forgot words, they felt nervous, but they kept going. You don't need perfect grammar or a fancy accent to be fluent. You need consistency, confidence, and daily practice. So start today. Think in English. Speak every day. Surround yourself with the language. Learn real-life phrases. Use shadowing. Talk with others. Stay consistent. Which of these steps will you start with today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more lessons to boost your English skills. Keep practicing, and fluency will follow.